Well, Rob, first of all, it's St David's Day. We're here at St Fagans as a staff. What have you made of the day?
Yeah, it's been a great day. Get all the staff together. Shows what we're all about from a cultural point of view as well, and what it means to be Welsh. I'm a proud Welshman myself, like everybody else, but coming here today has opened my eyes up to a few things as well. So, been a really interesting day and great to get all the staff together on such an important day for us as well.
I think what it's done is it brings history to life, doesn't it? We've seen things from early age right through to the present day. It's brought it to life to everyone, and as you say, that sense of identity as well.
Absolutely, yeah, we've got 3 weeks now to go to the game, and talking to some of the staff there, some English lads in there as well, come up from Cornwall to work for us and started recently. So great for him to be a part of this on St David's Day, and appreciate what he's coming into, the environment he's coming into, and the culture that he's got to expect. No different to the dual nationality players when they come on board. The first thing we teach them at 17, 16 years old, when they come onto camp, is that culture is what we're all about as Welsh people. So no different for the staff working with us. So great to see them turn up as well.
And in terms of, you've mentioned there 3 weeks to go till the game now, both have sold out irrespective of what happens. In terms of how will those 3 weeks go for you, quickly or slowly?
Quite quickly now, IG. It's been a long sort of wait from November's camp and the excitement that surrounded that, rightly so, to the build-up now to this camp. A lot of work's been done already. I've got an idea of the team. I've got barring any injuries. So we'll keep our fingers crossed for that. We know the squad, so we've done analysis last week. We're doing some more tomorrow. So we'll have a good idea of what we're up against. And I can't thank the fans enough. To what they did in November was outstanding in the atmosphere, and I think we're going to go another level again in March. So to sell out the 2 games, I think that's the first time we've ever done that prior to camp. So I've got nothing but gratitude for the supporters to show that support. They've done their bit so far now, and they will on the night as well. But to show that commitment to us means a lot to the players.
Squad announcement March the 16th. That's all everybody, I suppose, is talking to you about now is these matches coming up.
Yeah, absolutely. Like I said, barring a disaster, we've got a pretty good idea of what the squad's going to be, and we've got a great environment and a great group. So there's not going to be too many changes. That's an easy one to say. And while things are going well, we keep the group together. That environment that we create on camp is second to none, and I don't want it any different.
Just finally, the environment we've seen here today, you can understand then when we see the sense of identity, which comes through now amongst the support at our matches, doesn't it really? As you said, selling out, but the feel in the stadium, the environment created that real sense of Welsh identity.
Absolutely, and one of the first lectures we had today was about the anthem, who wrote it, the musicality surrounding it, and that is the best song in the world for me. And when the supporters all get together and sing that before the game, it's unbelievable. You can't buy that feeling. So it'll be no different in March. I know I keep on about that song, but that is absolutely the best song in the world, and I can't wait to hear the supporters sing it on March.
Brilliant. Diolch, Rob.
Cheers, diolch.